If you boat on Indiana lakes or trailer out of state, this is something you need to know before your next fill up. If you own a boat and you're filling up at a regular gas station, this could be slowly destroying your engine, and most boaters don't even realize it. Today, we're talking about ethanol gas in boats, what E10 fuel really does inside your marine engine, how phase separation happens, why boats are more vulnerable than cars, and exactly how to protect your investment. I'm Ben Lynk, and welcome to Off the Dock University. Most gas sold in the US contains up to 10% ethanol, labeled E10. Ethanol is an alcohol-based additive blended into gasoline to reduce emissions and support renewable fuels. Now here's the key. E10 is approved for many modern marine engines, but boats experience fuel conditions cars don't. Boats sit, boats deal with humidity, boats have vented fuel systems. And that's where ethanol fuel problems begin. The biggest threat ethanol poses to boat engines is something called phase separation. Ethanol attracts and absorbs moisture from the air, and in a marine environment, especially here in humid Indiana summers, moisture is everywhere. When enough water builds up inside your fuel tank, the ethanol bonds with it and separates from the gasoline. That creates a heavy water and ethanol layer that sinks to the bottom of your tank. And guess where your fuel pickup tube sits? At the bottom. That contaminated layer can get pulled straight into your engine, causing rough running, hard starts, misfires, stalling, corrosion, even internal engine damage. And once phase separation happens, there's no magic additive that fixes it. The fuel has to be drained. Boats sit unused for weeks at a time. Fuel tanks are vented, allowing moist air in. Seasonal temperature swings accelerate condensation. Older boats may have fuel lines or seals that ethanol can degrade. Ethanol can also loosen varnish and debris inside older fuel tanks, clogging filters and injectors. If you store your boat over winter in Indiana without proper fuel care, that's when the real damage often shows up in the spring. The best protection for your boat engine is ethanol-free fuel, often labeled Rec 90 or marine fuel. Ethanol-free gasoline does not absorb water like E10, stores longer, reduces corrosion risk, prevents phase separation entirely. For boats that sit between weekend trips or during Indiana winters, ethanol-free fuel is absolutely worth it. If ethanol-free fuel isn't available near you, here's how to minimize risk. Use a marine-grade fuel stabilizer at every fill-up, keep your tank as full as possible to reduce moisture, install and regularly replace a water-separating fuel filter, never use E15 or E85. They are not approved for marine engines. Ethanol fuel problems in boats are real, especially in states like Indiana, where humidity, storage seasons, and temperature swings create the perfect conditions for phase separation. But with the right fuel and a few small habits, you can protect your engine for years. If you like this video and want to see more boating related content, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the water.